Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to talk to you about something super cool. We have this right here. It's a little applicator for rain repellent. It's great for on your windshields if you're driving through the rain. It applies a thin layer of repellent right along the glass. And what it does is it makes it so you don't have to use your wiper blades nearly as much. Also, when you're driving, the rain will actually bead up onto the windshield and then it'll just kind of like float up and away instead of just covering it and creating a whole big muck pile. As always, if you need this or any other tool or part, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.